Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. You know, it's the 4th of July, so you have to excuse all that, going on outside right now. But I had to come and give you an update. Hold on, let me get it up. Boom. What'd you say? What's so special about the same $6 you had 2 days ago? Well, look, it's because I'm consistently coming to you and sharing with you my experience, and I'm documenting my journey myself, okay? Just for me. It may not be for you, but check this out. 76 million USD was earned, okay? And check this out, in the past 24 hours, over 12,000 people have joined. And check this out, all participants over 477,000, okay? So it's on a wave. And why? Because of the digital age is here. Ethereum is here, and this system could potentially help you, depending on what's going on, actually circulate some Ethereum. Now, ain't no guarantees with this. I will tell you for real, if you're interested in getting currency and you got Federal Reserve notes or fiat money to play with, then you can do as you please, and really just go to crypto.com or some other platform to exchange your fiat money for what you do deem valuable. So that's really on you. Right now, I'm running with this Ethereum, and I'm utilizing this platform to do so. And look, if you want to join the team, because we just getting started right now, get in. Get in right now if you want to get in with us. Okay, if not, you can just sit here and watch the show and see what happens. A month from now, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, 4 months from now, 5 months from now, 6 months from now. I don't know. Who knows? But I feel very strongly about the team I'm working with, and we about to knock this thing out of the pizzawk. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, you talking about taking L's, man. I have everything learning experience, because I'm only going to get better with this here. But if you don't want to do this, and maybe I didn't explain this system that good, it's just a system that, it's a referral-based system. And when, you bring somebody, say I bring somebody in, boom, I receive Ethereum, and they duplicate the process. So you say, I don't like that. I get it. And to be honest with you, if you're not somebody who's going to be outgoing, sharing with people, making videos, or doing something, driving traffic to get people to it, then it's likely that you won't you won't earn anything. You won't have any Ethereum exchanged amongst you all, okay? So I would not recommend it for people who are not willing to put themselves out there, I wouldn't recommend it, okay? So if you have fiat money to play with and you want to actually go get Ethereum, then you can go through different places to exchange your currency, okay? If you see my last video, I actually showed you where you can go physically and go exchange some fiat money for some Bitcoin. That's not my preferred method. However, some people do it for various reasons. For me, no, I just rather, take my phone and do what I do. You can actually go to Cash App and do it, but that's a whole nother video, okay? So I just want to make a quick update, say, look, I got the same $6, but I still got the same fire in me now. I'm still looking at these numbers. I'm still seeing what me and my team is planning to orchestrate. So if you do actually sign up under me, send me an email at toosmarteth@gmail.com. That way I can get you plugged into the team, and we can have a more personal interaction and build with each other. It's plenty of ways to make money out there, but don't get left behind by being distracted and letting those distractions create your reality. Create your own reality.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?